have arrived at the carnival. It's time to have fun.
Hi, Mr. Harlow.
Hi, little friends. Shall we see the stalls? Now press this magic button.
Oh, okay.
Yay! You picked me.
Wow, it's a cow! Pick me, pick me, pick me!
Yay, it is a go. Wow, a green egg this time. We have got a sheep. Yay! Finally, it is the purple one. It's a duck in here.
Where does the cow live? In the shed. Brilliant. What does the cow eat? Yes, cow eats grass and hay. Where does the goat live? You are right. Goat lives in a farmyard area. What does the goat eat? You are right. Goat eats fresh leaves and grass. Where does the sheep live? You guessed it right. Sheep lives in an open green meadow. What does the sheep eat? Amazing! Sheep eats fresh green grass. Where does the duck live? Great work. Duck lives in a pond full of water. What does the duck eat? Wonderful job. Duck eats grains and bread pieces. Did you all enjoy today?
Goodbye, Mr. Harlow.
Goodbye. Have a good night, guys. Goodbye. Take care, you all.
Hope you all enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more.